why do rich monkeys keep getting richer, while other monkeys wake up early, work all day, and still feel like they're falling behind? This question isn't just about monkeys. It's about how money really works. So grab a banana, and let's start the story. Imagine a jungle with two monkeys. They live in the same place. They face the same weather. They start with the exact same number of bananas. At the beginning, everything looks fair. Both monkeys wake up every morning and work hard. They climb trees. They collect bananas. They trade bananas for food and shelter. From the outside, they look equal. But slowly, their paths begin to change. The first monkey uses bananas only to survive. Food, a place to sleep, protection from the rain. Every banana has a job. Keep the day going. The second monkey also survives. But sometimes, instead of spending bananas, this monkey plants them. Banana trees. At first, this doesn't look impressive. One tree, a few bananas, nothing special. But something important is happening. Those banana trees start producing bananas every day, even when the monkey is resting, even when the monkey is asleep. Now, something has changed. The first monkey works for bananas. The second monkey owns bananas that work for the monkey. Time passes. A little advantage turns into a bigger one, not overnight. Slowly, the second monkey collects bananas, then uses those bananas to plant even more trees. More trees, more bananas, more opportunities. This is called compound growth. Small gains, stacked on top of each other, over time. Meanwhile, the first monkey still works hard, but every banana earned is already promised. Rent, food, safety. There's nothing left to plant. Not because this monkey is lazy, not because this monkey is stupid, because survival uses everything. Now let's talk about access. With more bananas, the rich monkey gets access to better tools, better land, better deals. Other monkeys want to trade with the rich monkey. They offer discounts. They offer partnerships. Opportunities appear, not because the monkey is special, but because the monkey already has bananas. Risk also feels different. If the poor monkey loses a few bananas, it can mean hunger. It can mean danger. So this monkey avoids risk. But when the rich monkey loses some bananas, life goes on. The rich monkey can take chances, fail, learn, try again. This is why risk rewards the rich more than the poor. Here's the uncomfortable truth. This system doesn't reward effort equally. It rewards ownership. Money grows faster when you already have money. This isn't magic. This isn't luck. It's math and time. Understanding this doesn't mean the game is over. It means the rules are finally visible. When you understand how money works, you stop blaming yourself and start thinking differently. You start asking better questions. How can bananas work for me? How can I reduce risk? How can time help me instead of hurting me? This is why the rich get richer. Not because they're better monkeys, but because the system amplifies what they already have. And now, you understand it too. Welcome to Economist Monkeys, where we explain money the simple way.